See, and if you've got a second, I'd like you to take a minute and go over to the show notes. Like I said, the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. Within that, I've got a link to Podchaser and write us up a review, won't you please? I sure would appreciate it. Okay, so maybe you're not ready to write the review. Let's see if this works. How to start affiliate marketing if you're a beginner in 2021. If you're still planning, if you still got it on the drawing board, then don't keep reading. This is for people that are ready to pop the clutch and do the do. Get it done. To learn and implement the right strategies that they've got in this blog post that I'm sharing in the show notes at the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com. There's a URL there to get started, learn, and implement, and get your affiliate marketing thing to happen. Okay? So let's don't keep planning it. Let's just do it. We've got the article in there. We've got the ammunition. Fire the round. Okay? I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy day for this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap.